Okay, I'm good to go. Here's something else too. I got an 8-foot tall ladder here. Okay. And this ceiling's about 10 feet. Could I get up there on a 6-foot ladder if you didn't have an 8-foot ladder? Yeah, probably. The 6-foot ladder would only be this high. Then you've got to reach up in there and kind of shimmy up there with your arms and come back down. It's not as safe. And here's my point here. If you've got enough room on ceilings that are 10 foot tall, and see here in the hallway is 10 foot, the bedroom's 10 foot. Yeah, you can get up there, replace your smoke alarms, install ceiling fans, do paint and all that with a 6-foot ladder, but you might as well invest in an 8-foot ladder as well. Get an 8 and a 6 and you'll be good to go for whatever your project requires. Let's see, I can get right up in there nice and easy because that's an 8-foot tall ladder. I'm just about ready to get up there, and Momi was just getting ready to go to the store. Since she's here, she says, you know what, maybe I'll just hang around since you're going to be up in the attic in case anything happens. I don't think anything's ever going to happen. I've been up in attics hundreds of times, but I'm getting older, and all it takes is one accidental step or something happening up there, and if I need some assistance, at least Momi will be here. I've also got my cell phone in my pocket in case she can't hear me. If I'm up there in the middle of the house somewhere, she's got the TV on in the other room, I could call her on my cell phone if I had to. Okay, but if she wasn't here, would I go up there? Absolutely I would. But think about different things and be safe rather than sorry. Let's see, I'm up here, and you just have to pick your way carefully. See where these roof trusses are? There's that 2x4 that's attached down there. Now, if you don't have trusses, it could be slightly different in how you do this. Okay, and there's the other one over there, right like that. And see, I've got a little bit over in different areas, and I've already got my light over there because I'm going that way. Hey, I'm bringing my video camera up here for your benefit, not mine. So hopefully you'll stick around and continue to watch this video. Yeah, see, if it was up to me, I would just bring my phone that's got a light on it, probably just use that, or my flashlight, and go over there and all that. But I'm taking my construction lights. We got plenty of light in here to see all this kind of stuff, and slowly but surely I'll get over there.